morning, nursery class children. So children, can you tell me what day is today? Yes, very good. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. So children, can you tell me what festival did we learn? Yes, very good. We learned Diwali festival and Raksha Bandhan festival. Okay children, so now today we are going to learn a new festival, Holi festival. Okay children, we learn Holi festival. Holi is the festival of colors. Holi is the festival of colors. Okay children? So children, we use pichkari and colors, and we use water balloon also. Okay children? So this is a pichkari. We use pichkari and play with pichkari. Holi is the festival of colors. The festival is celebrated for 2 days. On the day of Holi, children wake up early in the morning to play with pichkari and water balloons. They are spraying colored water on each other. Okay children, so now take out your plain notebook and open the page. So children, in this page you have to draw pichkari, colors and water balloon. Okay children, so you have to use colors and pencil. So first draw pichkari. So now let's start. Draw slanting line, draw 2 slanting line, and then draw sleeping line. Again you have to draw sleeping line, then you have to draw triangle shape like this. Okay children, now again you have to draw sleeping line, again draw sleeping line, then draw 2 slanting line like this, and draw again 2 sleeping line inside the pichkari like this. Okay children, you have to draw like this pichkari. This is a pichkari. Now you have to draw colors. First you have to draw plate, curve. This is a curve. First you have to draw curve. Okay children, then you have to draw like this, triangle shape like this. After then you have to color it. You have to draw 2 color plates. Like this. Okay children, now you have to draw balloon, water balloon. वाटर बैलून। बच्चों, आप लोग खेलते हैं बैलून के साथ? ओके, so you have to draw like this. Do you know oval shape? You have to draw oval shape like this and draw balloon. Okay children, and then draw one more balloon. Okay, now you have to color pichkari. So now children, after complete this drawing, you have to color pichkari, this colors, and balloon. Color this balloon. Okay children, you have to use any color. You have to take yellow color and then color it any color. Take any color and you have to do color very nicely, neatly and nicely. Okay children, then color it here, this triangle shape you have to color it. And then you have to take any color. Can you tell me children which color is this? Yes, very good. This is blue color. So you have to color like this. Okay children, now after that you have to color this plate. Do any color. Then you have to do neatly and correctly. बच्चों, आप कलर से खेलते हैं ना होली वाले दिन? सो दिस इज कलर. Okay children, so you have to do very neatly and correctly, and then you have to color this balloon. You have to do any color. Different color you have to use. Okay children, so first you have to draw like this and then you have to color very neatly and correctly. So I hope children you have understood all this work. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.